Hey, welcome back to Watson's Wagons. We are, bouncing around between vehicles, and we're out in the shop now working on the M37. And what we're going to try and do is pull the drums. And in order to do that, we're going to have to make some adjustments to the eccentrics on here and kind of pull the shoes away from the drums so the drums slide off. All right, so let's just get to it. So just like on the Willys, you have two adjusters down here, and then we've got, looks like, some spring-loaded bolts in this location. And let's see here, this is a 15/16 nut on here, and we're going to try to get this thing pop loose. Fortunately, there's enough slime on here and goo to kind of sort of lubricate the eccentric a little bit. So now, what I can't tell is, yeah, and of course, it's much larger than the. For grins and giggles, I got the tool for the Willys way too small. All right, let's go ahead and loosen up the other side. The wrong side of the wrench. No, I had the right side. And you put your hand in a pile of goo. All right. See, now we're getting a little bit loose. When you turn that eccentric in, I wonder if that's got a dump one like the other ones. Well, looks like that's a 3/8 head on that eccentric, and I don't have a long wrench, so we're going to have to get creative with leverage here. And see if I can get it to budge. But, well, the answer to that question is yes. That made a huge difference. I'll get a little more movement out of it. That tightened it up. Okay. Now I don't know what we got going on up here. What size is that? You know, at least they could do is make everything sort of the same size. Look at that. The adjusters work, my friends. Yeah. Hey, she's a looking funky. Let's turn the camera around and show you what I got going on here. Okay, well, here's the drum. And it really doesn't have much of a lip at all. So I think this will clean up real nice, but it's got evidence of grease and stuff like that. And that might be due to the seal that's behind there. This stuff is fairly dry in this location, so I'm really not thinking that the wheel cylinder is damaged, but you know, we're still going to take a look at that and make sure we're not rusted on the inside. This is what we're looking at. Came off easy. Wow. All right, let's turn the camera around on this one. She's damp. And the drum was tight getting off. And you can see right here, check out the, man, I don't know about you, but these brakes, they need an attitudinal adjustment. Yeah, they're funky, man. They got to come apart, and we got to clean them and do some inspections. So, yeah, nice, right? One you're looking at right here is the passenger side front, and it's proven to be the hardest one so far. It's acting like you ever get something stuck in the mud and the vacuum from the mud just sort of sucks it in and you can't get it out. That's exactly how these freaking brake shoes are acting. They're so greased up in there, it's like
they really got a grip on that drum.
I can't get the adjusters to bring them in any further, which tells me it's possible that the wheel cylinder up top might be stuck outward because I can't get any adjustment on it. Let me adjust the camera here. So we're just going to keep working it. Tension is definitely up top. Need something with a little more leverage. There we go. Like glue. All right. Passenger side. Now, am I feeling the gears in there or bearings? Don't know. Let's move over. Just broke it. Yep, you bastard. All right, well, that's more movement than we've had. I gotta get another wrench. All right. The eccentric does not want to budge. I'm not trying to break another wrench. That one moves. Yeah. All right. That was the easiest one. All right, let's turn the camera on and take a look at them all. Passenger side rear. Passenger side front. Okay, M37 experienced people, tell me about your experience. Do you typically find this kind of corrosion and funk and slime because of this seal or because of those? Because inquiring minds would love to know. All right, that's all I'm doing on the M37. Okay, thanks for watching. 4 drums removed, only one of them gave me a problem really, and I busted 1 wrench. Not too bad.